How to start a profitable and successful business. Today's video is prepared to inspire and give you fundamental and simplified principles of businesses with your current resource, with your current budget, and with your current address, which mean using what you have and where you are. Conventionally, it's said that the basic requirements to start a successful business are marketing, money management, legal issues, sales, and operations. In fact, success of an entrepreneur not only relies on your knowledge and effective execution of these fundamental principles, but also it requires a constant commitment to keep your business growing and gaining knowledge on your business venture. There are plenty of resources for a young generation of this time. You can start from an internet access to get a continuous and detailed information about your targeted business venture from a worldwide experience. And you can find it on Google, you can find it on Facebook, you can find it on YouTube and etc. Again, you can visit and observe any existing related businesses with both virtual and actual presence. To start a successful business, you need to follow the following 5 steps. Step 1. Developing entrepreneurial soft skills. You can develop those entrepreneurial soft skills from mindset courses, from mindset books, from preceding jobs, and from some other formal and informal businesses. There are about 15 basic entrepreneurial skills, and these skills are confidence for everything you do, courage to hold the businesses if whatever happens, creativity to solve practical problems, self-discipline, good judgment on every activities, flexibility to modify methods and techniques without changing your goal, hard working as much as possible, leadership, networking with related business enterprises and companies, objectivity, openness to new ideas and techniques, political savvy, risk and failure tolerance, visionary, and being optimistic about your goal. Step 2. Understanding yourself and your environmental potential. In order to understand yourself and your environmental business potential, you need to understand and list out the following things. Those things are resources you have, professional experience you have, a startup capital or cash money you have, environmental business potential and condition, and the business emotion potential of times. And those questionnaires helps you to hypothesize a profitable business ideas with what you have and where you are. So, this step or step 2 is concluded with listed drafts of different business ideas. Step 3. Rating yourself and environmental feasibility study. Activities required to be done under this step are listing down your weaknesses and strengths about the soft skills that have been mentioned in step 1, relating your startup capital with those business potential of your environment, rating your knowledge and experience on those drafted business ideas, and finally selecting the most feasible business idea by comparing the listed drafts based on your potential, based on your experience, based on your startup capital, and based on your environmental condition. So this step is concluded with the selection of only one business idea to be focused on. Step 4. Writing a strong business plan or business proposal. This step plays a vital role to start a successful business because business plan is a guideline for every business venture. But it is possible to modify some business components whenever it's required. And more about the business plan and entrepreneurship is going to be discussed in the upcoming videos of this channel. So that's the reason you are being invited to subscribe, to hit the upward thumb, and to put your suggestion in the comments below. Step 5. Action. After you prepared a business plan, and if you are waiting for the perfect time to start your business, unfortunately you will never get the perfect time. Every successful company once at the start with different magnitude, obviously with small size, and it doesn't matter how good your idea is or how golden your idea is or how problem solving your idea is, there is nothing unless you apply it. It's not only about the idea, but it's also about the implementation. We can see a Google company, the largest search engine of this time, but Google is not the first search engine. The secret of that is Google made a lot of modification on algorithm of search engine, so it won all the competing companies and it becomes the largest search engine of this time. That shows it's not only about the idea, but also it's all about implementation. So don't strive for perfection, and since the way to apply your plan is taking action, I suggest you to start using what you have, to start where you are, and to start now. Thanks for your attention. Don't forget to subscribe.